So I welcome you all for this case study to understand how, why and how quantitative aptitude is preferred as the foremost criteria whenever we are going for any recruitment process. Okay. So why companies are expecting quantitative aptitude, or else your competency is measured in terms of your quantitative aptitude. Okay. So this is what we are going to discuss today. And why quantitative aptitude matters is the first one is it helps us to eliminate 70 to 90% of candidates before interview. Okay. So any company which is coming for an interview will be having some fixed numbers in their mind. Okay. So but whenever they are coming for any recruitment, we will be having more number of people. So first and foremost, we can take it as the one of the filtering mechanism. In certain cases, we will be having group discussion. So in group discussion also help us to eliminate 70 to 90% of candidates, and the company will be now concentrating on 10% of the remaining candidates. So that is why most of the time we used to tell that whenever you clear the first round, there's going to be a 90 or 80 to 100% of chance of clearing the upcoming either technical or HR interviews. Okay. The second one is to demonstrate problem solving and your analytic capabilities. Okay. So whenever we are going for work, in any work we need some competency like problem solving and analytical capabilities. Depending upon whatever situation we are going to face, whether we are able to solve it programmatically or analytically, that is what the companies are preferring. So we are having aptitude, and it also helps us to handle numerical data, and it also helps us to showcase how far we are very much well versed in performing different computations. And next one is to it reflects your, especially your mental agility and your strong logical thinking skills. Okay, so these are all the things companies prefer so that they want to recruit new candidates. So that is why they have made this quantitative aptitude as the foremost thing. So again, it also eliminates 70 to 90, and in almost all companies, major companies like TCS or any product company or any service company, always your first round will be your quantitative aptitude. So these are the list of companies which have made quantitative aptitude or this reasoning test to be mandatory. So in IT and ITS sectors, we have TCS, Infosys, or all of the major companies. Even in finance sector, that is banks, okay, and insurance is also one of the domain, and investment and consulting companies, they are also making this quantitative aptitude, that is whether you are able to express your logical ability or your critical reasoning. So all these types of companies are preferring quantitative aptitude only. So data analytics, if we are going for core engineering, core companies, they also test your logical and critical thinking. So key competency, suppose if you want to practice with the quantitative aptitude, you have to be well versed in numerical ability, then logical reasoning, problem solving, and data analysis. Okay, so in quantitative aptitude we have different topics. I hope you are all practicing, but it comes under these four categories. First one is numerical ability. It concentrates on playing with numbers or computing with numbers. Next one is logical reasoning, whether you are able to think logically correct. And next one is problem solving skills, that is your mathematical efficiency. And last one is data analysis. Data analysis means taking your data into consideration and whether you are able to interpret. Okay, so your data to make decisions. That is what we mean by data analysis. So in all these areas, quantitative aptitude, you have different chapters that we can practice. And why companies prioritize this? So it reduces the hiring bias, as we discussed already, and it predicts the job performance beyond academic grades. Okay, so somebody will be having a very good CGPA, but they will be having low critical thinking skills. So that is why companies are not worried about grades. They will be having a normal benchmark like 60% in academics like that. So they will be having a normal benchmark, and they will be testing your academic thinking skills, and it's essential for maintaining quality assurance. And so here this campus have served in 2025 the high competition campuses. Okay, it is hiring is surged to 24% because of lack of thinking or reason or logical thinking skills. And especially in the very high demand area, definitely we need strong analytical and logical foundations. Okay. So with this, we come to this end. So many people will be having you question in your mind why we are having quantitative aptitude. Okay. So the companies need more competent people. So that is why they want to test you in all types of reasoning, and then they want to hire you because they want high quality workforce. So that is why we are having this quantitative aptitude as our first. Okay. Thank you.